Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this gorgeous and very beautiful Valentine's Day special card. So this is a shaker card with the handmade flowers, and inside this I have added the hidden message for your loved one. So we have to scratch this message, and after that it will reveal the secret message. Isn't it a great idea? Like this, will you be my Valentine? So, without any delay, let's get started. For this we need foam pad, ball tool, tweezer, pink color archival ink with sponge dauber, golden acrylic color, paintbrush, scissor, liquid glue, red color thick sheet pattern paper, and off-white color craft paper, and acetate sheet or OHP sheet. First I am taking this 26 by 15 centimeter red color cardstock base. This is having 300 GSM. It is quite thick. So I am just folding this from the center. Burnishing it using my bone folder. Now I am taking this 13 by 13 centimeter rough paper, and I have created heart on one side. I am just cutting it and creating a heart shape. Like this. Now I will trace this heart on my card base. Just leave little gap from top and trace it. Like this. Now I will cut this heart. So the card base is ready. Now I am taking one more heart which is having same size as the base, and I have cut one small heart in the center using this template. So I have just cut it, and now we have this heart ring. Now I am just putting this heart ring on our card base and tracing the center heart. Now I will cut this heart using my paper cutter. Like this, just removing the excess pencil. So this is done. Now I have written "Will you be my Valentine" on the heart, which is having same size as the inner heart, and created one small frame which I will put inside the card. And I have already cut one heart inside this and added one piece of OHP sheet from backside. So first I am connecting this sentiment heart. And on top of this I am adding this heart frame. Here I have added OHP sheet with this frame so that we can easily paint it with acrylic color and easily scratch it. It will not hurt your paper. So this is done. Now take back your topmost heart frame and I am taking two more pieces of heart shape OHP sheet which is little larger than this. So I am connecting both the OHP hearts with our base and the frame. Let it dry. So it's completely dried. Now from backside of this ring I am adding double-sided foam tape to create a shaker. In the same way I am adding some more double-sided tape. Now remove all the liners. Now take back your base and on top of this I am adding some small size sequences. I have some in red color and some in white color, which include some heart shapes, some star shapes. You can also use small pearls or small micro beads or glitter dust, anything of your choice. Now I'm just putting this frame on top of this slowly. And your shaker card is ready. Yay! Now I will decorate this. So to decorate, I am showing you how to create this beautiful paper rose. This is very easy. So I have already prepared 2 large and 2 small size 5 petal flowers. I am just coloring it using pink archival ink. If you don't have archival ink, you can also use watercolors. This paper is having 90 GSM thickness and I am taking off-white color paper. Now using the ball tool I am just shaping all the flowers. Now I am pricking the center using my tweezer. Now I'm taking this small size styrofoam bud and using the smallest flower, I will start assembling my rose. And after that I will add one by one all the layers. So flower is ready. Now I am cutting the excess wire from back. In the same way, we need total 5 flowers. And also I have created some leaves and colored it with green color archival ink. Now I am adding some piece of paper doilies here and there to decorate the card. And then I will add all the flowers, leaves and some scrolls. Now I'm adding this sentiment hugs on the topmost corner. Now the funny part will come. I will just color this inner heart using my golden acrylic color on top of acetate sheet. We just need to hide this message which we have written. So you may be require 2 to 3 coats of this acrylic shade to hide the message completely. So I have added total 3 layers of acrylic color to hide my message. Now I am just taking my bone folder and scratching it. You can also use any coin or any kind of card to scratch this. And the message has been started appearing. Isn't it a funny idea? Like this. Will you be my Valentine? So the cute shaker scratch card for the Valentine's Day is ready. I'm sure you will try this. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.